How to add Facebook pixels to WordPress. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up this site. Make sure that it is business.facebook.com and open up your home, and over here you will be able to find the option of settings on the left hand side panel. Simply select it. It is the Meta Business Suite, so just simply open it up, then go to the settings. On settings on the left hand side panel, just scroll down, and here you will be able to find the option of data sources. Simply expand it, and over here you will be able to find the option of pixels. Don't open up this one, rather go for this option of data sets. Simply click on it, and after that wait for it to load. And here this is how it will show you. Then just simply click on this option of add, and over here you need to name this particular data set. Just name it appropriately according to your needs and requirements, and after that click on this option of create, and this way you would be able to create this particular data set. Now you would be able to find the option of event manager when you click on this option of create, and just simply open up in event manager. This is exactly what you will be able to see. Simply click on it, and after that you need to scroll down and select the setup meta for pixel. Simply select it, then you would be able to find the option of install code manually. Simply click on it, then copy the code that you will be able to see on your screen, and after that you need to log into your WordPress. So after logging into your WordPress, on the left hand side panel you will be able to see this particular screen, and over here when you scroll down, and here you will be able to find the option of appearance. Just simply hover around your cursor on it, and you would be able to find an option called theme file editor. Since I don't have any website on my WordPress and this is a completely new account, but for you would be able to see it, the option of theme file editor. Simply open that particular option, and after that your theme files will be open up. Now under theme files on the left hand side you will be able to find different codes with .php files. Simply select the header.php file, and this way your page will reload, and you would be seeing a different code on your screen. Just find the code where it says head with the arrow keys right between the arrow keys, and this way just enter twice right after the arrow on the right hand side, and this way you would be able to create some space, and there you need to paste the code that we just copied from Meta Business Suite, and this way just paste the code and scroll, and after that you would be able to find the option of update file. Simply click on it. Now go back to event manager page that we just opened up using the Meta Business Suite, and there you need to turn on the automatic advanced matching. After that click on this option of continue on Meta, and after that go to your pixel overview. Over there you need to reload the page, and after reloading the page you would be able to find the option of test event. Simply click on it. After that you need to paste the website URL of your website, and this way click on the option of open website, and this is how you would be able to add Facebook pixels to WordPress. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.